Up to you.
I'm not good at asking questions.
Yeah. You don't have to. I don't just figured I didn't know if you wanted to. Billy.
Give us a sign.
Yeah, you're pretty good at it. Is your name Billy? Could you light that up again if so? Alright, Billy. Unless you can give us a sign, we're going to try some other places. Geriatrics. Sounds fun. Okay. We got some red. Okay. If you want us to... Okay. If you're here with us, can you light that up to red, please? You're almost there. Come on. Okay, well, we'll see if this is somebody talking.
You want us to leave? Should we stay?
We should stay? Okay.
What do you want to talk about? Pick a subject.